Okay, last one. We're going to do example 4, and it says the intensity of sound can be measured in watts per square meter. The table below lists intensity levels for some common sounds. Okay, so I'll have you guys look over that, and then we'll just go on and we're going to answer the question. So, how many times more intense is the sound of a rocket liftoff at 10 to the third power watts per second meter than that of a regular speech at 10 to the negative 7 watts per square meter? Okay, so it says to express the answer in exponential and standard form. So exponential form is we're going to leave it in exponents. Standard form is we're going to multiply the exponents out with all the zeros in it. Okay, so it says we need to first write a ratio to compare the sound intervals. So we're comparing 10 to the third watts to 10 to the negative 7. So if we write a ratio, it's going to look like a fraction, right? So if we have 10 to the third over 10 to the negative 7th, then we can go ahead and subtract our exponents. Okay, so if we have 10 to the third minus 10 to the 7th, we're going to have 10 to the 3 minus a negative 7. Okay, and remember, if we are doing this, we need to turn this into addition and also change our negative 7 into a positive. So it is going to be 10 to the 10th power, okay? So this is our exponential form. So we can have this as our final answer, okay? But then we also have to put it into standard form. So we need to multiply 10 by itself, or 10 times itself 10 times, okay? So we're going to end up with, if we do 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, all those 10s, okay? We're going to end up getting 10,000, or what is it? 10 billion. Whoop. Okay, it is 10 billion times more intense than our speech, right? So we can say that the sound of a rocket liftoff is 10 billion times more intense than us actually just speaking. Okay, so that is the last example that I have. But remember, when you are dividing exponents, you subtract your exponent. Okay, if you have an exponent with a 0, so you have like x to the 0, it's going to be 1. Okay, and then if you have a negative, you need to flip it over, whether it's in the denominator or whether it's in the numerator. Flipping it to the opposite side is going to make it positive. Okay, so if you guys have any questions about any of that, please email me. Like I said, if I need to make another video, I can do that. If you have tried it so many times, you've contacted me and you still don't understand, put a mark by it, and then when I get back, you are able to, I will try and figure out and help you the best that I can, okay? Try your best, okay? Don't just sit there and not do anything, but please make sure you're doing the best that you can, and if you have questions, always come ask me, okay? Be good. Make sure you have an open mind about it all, okay? And just try to figure it out, and I'll help you. All right, have a great day, guys.